Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Haven't done one of these quite like this for ages. One of my grandsons, the youngest one, has decided he likes doing jigsaw puzzles. So of course that means I've been looking in the charity shops for cheap jigsaw puzzles. By the time you see this video, I will probably have done videos building most of them, if not all of them, because I need to check whether all the bits are there. In fact, I have already done one of them, which I'll talk about in a minute. So let's go through what we've got. Obviously a load of jigsaw puzzles, and this car, Equestria Girls. Cost me £1. I've actually bought one of these in the past in a charity shop and converted it to radio control, so there'll be a link in the video description to that conversion. This one says 2013 Hasbro, made in China of course. It is only a push along one. I had to cut it about quite severely to do the radio controlled version, but what I'm thinking of doing with it this time is just taking the outer shell off and possibly putting it on here just for a laugh, so I can have a rock crawler Equestria Girls. Where does it say Equestria Girls? Somewhere. Oh yeah, there we are. Equestria Girls. So yeah, I think just the outer white shell will come off, and I can just use that as the body shell for the rock crawler, just for a bit of fun. So that's what I bought that for £1 in a charity shop. Now we got this lot. Okay, they're not all jigsaws. This one is a 3-pack of the little wooden kits, new and unused. It's stuck in there quite well as well. Can't get it out. Never mind. We'll just assume that being I can't get it out and it's still in its plastic bag, but it's in good condition. Oh, is that coming now? Just about. Gosh. It's coming. Yeah. So there we go. I don't know if that means, oh yeah, there's three separate builds there. So that's the sort of thing I do in the car when I'm passing the time. So that's where I'll probably put that one. Looks like fun. That was £1.50. Apples to pears. Never heard of them. Never mind. So that one's for me. This one caught my eye. It's a mini puzzle, 88-piece jigsaw. Snow White and the cost me £1.50. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This one definitely isn't for my grandson to play with because it'll be too fiddly. Vintage Collection Mini Puzzle Fairy Tale Collection 88-piece. Oh, £4.99 originally. So £1.50, £4.99, assuming it's all in there. Again, I'm going to have to make it just to make sure, aren't I? So there's going to be a series of jigsaw puzzle videos, I think, coming up. They'll all be on my other channel, I think, rather than my main channel, because my other channel is where I tend to put the longer, slower videos. Okay, next, Age UK. I bought this in charity shop, 99p, and it does actually say complete on it, because what a lot of the charity shops do is they get somebody to actually make the puzzle to make sure it's okay. So that should be okay. 45 pieces, so I think that's within the realms of my grandson learning to do jigsaws. So that should be okay. Star Wars. Most youngsters like Star Wars. Complete again, same place, Age UK, 99p. 35 pieces, so that should be quicker and easier than the other one. Next, this one I have already done. I've tried it, and unfortunately it's got 2 pieces missing, so I may not give that to him, or we might try it together with the understanding that there's 2 pieces missing. It's one of the bottom edge pieces and 1 piece about there somewhere. That's an 80-piece jigsaw. This one's one of those 3D puzzles. 2 dinosaurs. And they clip together with little plastic joints so you can actually move them around. I have done a couple of these a long time ago. Still, I don't know whether I'd be interested in that one or not. But there's 2 of them. 3D puzzle. I think I looked in the shop, and I think I decided they were okay because they were still in the plastic bags. Yeah, still sealed, unused. So that one should be okay. Don't know which charity shop that was. £1.75. Does it say how many pieces? It doesn't say how many pieces, but you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then the little bits, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And some clippy bits. Okay. Put them out the back there. Right, this one, £1, 100 pieces. That's probably beyond what he wants to do at the moment, but I do know he likes Power Rangers, so I've got that one. Yeah, Ravensburger is a good manufacturer. In fact, quite a few of these are Ravensburger, looking at. So, age 6+. It should be alright. This one, again, I know he likes these Digimon. This one says checked on it, £1.50. It says it's been checked. 100 piece again. So that again may be stretching him, but I just thought because it's Digimon he would want it. Age 4 years plus. And then finally this one, which was only £1, and it's 3 of them. A 32 piece, 45 piece and a 60 piece. I might just open that and have a quick look. I think it's only 99p or £1 because it's in poor quality packaging. Probably good chance parts are missing as well. I always put the bits back in plastic bags. Somebody's made one plastic bag, another plastic bag, and then the rest are just thrown in there. Oh, that's not too bad. At least they've made some effort. So yeah, so that's today's charity shop gold or garbage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jigsaw puzzles, 1 3D puzzle, 1 wooden kit or set of 3 wooden kits, and the toy car for a body shell for a rock crawler. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.